Hello everyone. If you want to pass out the computer theory test, I'm going to share an app with you. You can download this app from Google Play Store and from Apple App Store as well. Just write Saudi driving license test and hit search. We are going to download the second app, not the first one. The problem with the first app is it's very old, it's not updated since ages, and the second app is very recent app. It's the developers are releasing updates very regularly, and I have used this app. It's very neat and clean app, and you can see the number of reviews. It has 4.8 star ratings, and I have given a review, 5-star review, because I liked it, I used it. Um, so without any further ado, just download. I already have downloaded, so hit the open button. So as you can see, app is very neat and clean, very easy to follow. So there are three languages: sport, English, Urdu, Arabic, and you can practice in any language, but in this video we are going to use English version. So as you can see at the top, there are tests, then important questions answers, then you can learn about road signs, then there is a points table. If you make a mistake, how many points you're gonna lose, then the method of driving license, then there is a information, and we can check one by one. So we select the first one and hit the start button. So all the tests are divided into different sections. You can practice one test at a time, then if you have time you can practice more, otherwise you can practice next time. So it's easy to follow. I'm gonna click on the first test. I'm going to close the internet so no interruption. So on the top there is a questions, and at the bottom there are three options, and you can see 1 by 20, it means it's the first questions, and there are total 20 questions. And at the bottom there are two numbers, 0 green and 0 red. So if your answer is correct, the green one will be increased by 1, otherwise the red one. So it's simple. What does this sign mean? It means airport area. So I'm gonna select the right answer, and it will be highlighted as green. So you see the green one has increased by 1. The conscious driver is, it's the last option, and here is a third answer. So see, if I make a mistake, if I select the wrong answer, what's gonna happen? uh, okay, so it's a sign of an uneven road, but I'm gonna select the second option, the working area. You see, I have selected the wrong answer. The wrong one is highlighted as red, and the correct one is green now. And this is how you can practice all the questions by yourself. So go through it and practice. um, the second important question and answer. So here you can read about all the questions and their answer. Just read the question and the answer, questions and answer. So it's very simple, easy to follow. Then the next part is road signs. So in Saudi Arabia, uh, we have to pay huge fines if we don't follow the road signs, and most of the fines are related to road signs. So here you can go through all the signs, you can read them, you can understand the meaning of every sign. I'm just going through the app, so you can download and you can learn by yourself. Points table. So if you make a mistake, how many points are you going to lose? Driving under influence, in, intoxication or drugs, so you will lose 24 points. Drifting, 24 points, and you can go through all the points, all the information. So if you don't know how to get a Saudi driving license, the complete information is given there. So the documents you need and what you have to do in the first step, the second step, third step. So go through all the 8 steps and you will get your driving license very easily. And in the information section, you can download their signal test app. It's a separate app. You can write them an email, you can join the Facebook group. So oh sorry, I have closed the internet, so let's turn on the internet and try again. Yeah, it's on. So if you have any question, you can join their group and you can answer the question. Somebody can answer your questions, and you can, of course, you can answer someone else's question as well. So somebody asked a question, there are two comments, so somebody replied, and here Ahmed asked the questions, and around five comments are there, so somebody is answering. So you can join this group and you can ask your questions, and somebody can respond. So that's all. You can download it. So there is a privacy policy, so I think everything is very clear. You can download it and you can practice your computer Saudi computer theory test questions, and you can learn about signs, fines, procedure. You can join their Facebook group, and hopefully you will pass your Saudi driving license test in the first try. And I wish you all the best of luck. Bye.